we have the equation 4y plus 28 equals 0. And the first thing they want us to do is to put this equation into slope-intercept form, y equals mx plus b. That means we have to get y by itself. So first thing I have to do is move this 28. So subtracting 28, we'll get rid of it on the left-hand side and move it over to the right-hand side. And now 0 minus 28. Now it's a negative 28. And then we have to get y by itself. We need a coefficient of 1, so we have to get rid of the multiplication by dividing both sides by 4. So that way we now have 1y equals negative 7. And so that is slope-intercept form. Say, wait a minute.